Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add another image on your Snapseed edit. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device. And once you open it up, you can tap on the plus icon to open any image from your gallery to edit it. Once you open this image, you will see various different options within the Styles menu. In order to add another image, tap on Tools. Now from this page, if you scroll down, you will see double exposure. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can tap on the plus image icon in order to upload another image. Once you choose your image, this will appear on top of the image that you selected. You can change the translucency settings by using the slider. And there you have it. That is how you can add another image on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.